Hi, and welcome to our channel On the Brink of Greatness. I'm James, along with my wife Jessica, and our amazing daughter Journey. We're excited to share our lives with you. This is our RV blog, where we give you a glimpse of our second home on wheels and show how we balance our busy lives and education with the peace and joy we find in nature. For us, exploring the great outdoors is the perfect way to relieve stress and recharge, and we hope to inspire you to do the same. We'd love to hear from you, so introduce yourself in the comments below. Let us know who you are and what brings you to our channel. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us for every step of this incredible journey. Welcome aboard, and we'll see you out there on the road.
Yeah, that's the bedding. Behind you here, below the TV, so you got dual shades. And then you can kind of pick the screen or separate them both. And then this is just an emergency window, so if you ever have to egress out of it, and if you lift up on these, on both ends.
Oh wow! It's great time.
Doesn't seem to be staying in place very well.
I'll wash.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
See if you can make an adjustment maybe.
Yeah.
I'll
Seems
walk.
looser on this
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
I'll walk.
Yeah, we'll walk.
There's a pedal on the right-hand side here. Okay, so when you push down partial, you'll fill the bowl. See, just partial. All right, so depending on what you're doing, especially when you're going number 2, you really want to put a lot of water down there to have plenty in the tank. All right, so you can fill it up to whatever you need it to be. When you're done using it, then you go all the way down and it dumps it down into the tank.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So fill, use, and flush.
Here we have our bunkhouse, which will majority of the time be a space for Journey or myself. As you can see, we have that pull-out desk as well. And down here, we've got the trundle bed as well as the sofa bed. Awesome for kids or adults. Easily accessible electrical panels. The Brinkley also came with its own tire monitoring system and backup camera with panels. Has a remote for door lock. There's also a remote controllable HVAC system. It has tons of pantry space with the automatic light sensor, a large fridge, and another cool thing I like is there's a key to hold it in place when you're driving down the road. You have a microwave, gas stove, and oven. And what that means Let's bake and let's eat. Got the brass fixtures throughout, which in my opinion brings out the aesthetics. It has dimmable lights and several speakers. And you can't forget this, that fireplace for those cozy movie nights. Hidden multiple outlets for those tech heavy individuals. Oh, don't forget that extra sofa bed just in case the spouse is acting up or needs a break. You want to lay back a little bit? Take a look at this. Heated recliners, the wireless phone charger. Can't beat it. So please comment and let us know what you liked or disliked and what you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, be blessed.